Every tile begins with what the earth provides.
Power meets purpose at the source. Raw material takes its first step forward. Weight becomes potential. Consistency begins with verification. Only the right clay earns its place.
The journey toward transformation begins.
Raw earth moves toward refined design.
This is where clay becomes architecture.
Precision begins before production starts. Every ton is accounted for. Now supply meets preparation. Gravity begins the process. Flow prepares the next stage. Order builds consistency. Preparation begins with reduction. Raw form approaches refinement. And this is where earth prepares to become tile. Every transformation begins with controlled movement. Reduction turns earth into potential. Flow carries consistency forward. Uniformity is engineered here. Pressure prepares the next phase.
X's are in yelling glocks of words of words with fluctualium and certain intugobensina and
Heat reshapes moisture into control. From liquid to granule, balance is found.
Readiness takes shape.
Direction defines efficiency.
Stability waits in reserve.
Preparation meets precision.
The heart of shaping draws closer.
Here, pressure becomes design. Accuracy shapes every tile. Form is born under control.
Care protects what pressure created.
Moisture gives way to strength. And now, shape moves toward finish. Inside precision meets the scale of industry.
This is where clay becomes design.
Every shift begins with discipline.
Outside, motion never rests.
These lines carry precision through the plant. Safety shapes every step forward. Beyond these doors, tiles gain character.
This is where surface becomes story.
Clean beginnings make flawless finishes. Human focus guides surface precision. Order defines efficiency. Consistency is engineered here.
Visibility shapes precision.
Balance locks in beauty.
Technique expands design.
Safety keeps progress alive.
Now design meets technology.
And here art prepares the portfolio.
Clean surfaces protect perfect finishes.
Human eyes still guard quality. Every flaw finds its correction. Detail lives at the edges. Consistency is measured in millimeters. Balance begins before fire.
Direction defines destiny.
Strength hides in small details. Final touches prepare perfection. Timing keeps the rhythm. Plunging to left and think of it igniting charge.
Order prepares the heat.
The path to fire is precise. Alignment shapes efficiency. Care protects design. Accuracy secures the next stage. Now the fire awaits. The journey through fire begins.
And now, heat prepares to make permanence.
Now heat defines permanence.
Precision turns fire into a tool. Here, surface becomes stone.
Time completes what heat begins.
Balance returns through control. Stability is engineered, not guessed.
Fire leaves its signature.
Consistency is confirmed. Care protects precision.
Now perfection is sharpened.
Millimeters define mastery.
Strength hides in details.
Shine is engineered.
Cleanliness reveals quality.
Human eyes confirm excellence.
Sound tells the truth.
Geometry completes reliability. Now refinement gives way to scale. Now scale amplifies perfection.
Precision multiplies value.
Quality finds its own path. Function joins beauty. Balance protects durability. Balance proves reliability. Protection extends life. Stability follows care. Precision leaves no excess behind.
Human care perfects automation.
Order prepares the next phase.
Timing shapes efficiency. Now refinement meets intelligence. Technology now guides motion. Precision moves at machine speed. Timing becomes flawless.
When balance is reached, scale follows.
And now, technology takes the lead. Now intelligence guides every movement.
Precision now moves at the speed of code.
Timing becomes flawless. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises. Automation perfects repetition. Accuracy now reaches the final container. Protection is built into every unit. Identity completes the product. Traceability follows every batch.
Speed meets consistency.
Every unit is now ready for movement. Order builds efficiency. Protection now surrounds the result.
Consistency is confirmed again. Records move as fast as products.
When everything aligns, excellence flows.
Now the product meets its final refinement.
Accuracy now defines the final outcome.
Every kilogram is confirmed.
Protection is verified, not assumed.
Identity must look as precise as it performs. Traceability follows every unit. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises. Order multiplies efficiency. Every unit is now ready for movement. Stability travels with the product.
Structure defines readiness.
Protection begins before travel. Security surrounds every result. Identity now scales with volume.
The journey nears its destination.
Movement continues with purpose.
Before release, excellence must be proven. The final test begins here.
Before release, proof replaces promise.
Quality begins with careful choice.
Here, science verifies craftsmanship. Beauty is measured in numbers.
Durability begins with resistance. Strength tells the truth. Endurance proves value.
Consistency defines confidence.
Protection is proven in challenge.
Safety lives in every step. Evidence builds confidence.
Approval is earned, not given.
Quality clears the path forward.
Traceability never ends.
Accountability protects excellence.
Communication keeps the system alive.
Proof now becomes product.
The final movement begins.
The final journey now begins.
Every unit moves with purpose.
Order guides every step.
The chain nears completion.
Precision never leaves the process. What was built with care now moves with confidence. Accuracy follows the product to the end. Completion feels like precision.
Trust is locked in place.
Every journey needs its record.
The product now carries its story forward.
Endings prepare new beginnings.
From clay to kiln to craftsmanship. This is how precision moves the world. From earth to elegance. From heat to home.
And this is how modern factories produce ceramic tiles from start to finish.
Built on discipline, driven by design.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.